Okay, good day everyone. So, ang ating week 4, lesson natin for week 4 ng ating second quarter for this modular distance learning is about addition and subtraction of polynomials. So, that is our lesson for this week. So, when we say algebraic expression, tinatawag din natin silang polynomials. Okay? And meron tayong different operation sa pagdating sa polynomial. So, nandun yung una, addition and subtraction. So, algebraic expression are said to be similar if the expression has the same literal coefficients or variables. Halimbawa, ang 3x at x, they are similar terms. So, tatandaan yung word na similar terms or like terms. Bakit? Kasi parehas x yung kanilang literal coefficient o yung ating variable and parehas 1 ang exponent. Titingnan, paano masasabing similar ang dalawang terms kapag parehas ang variable at parehas ang exponent ng variables. Okay? Sa literal coefficient, hindi sa numerical. Kung mapapansin nyo, this is 3. Itong isa, 1. Di ba may imaginary 1 dito sa unahan? Pero hindi yun ang titingnan natin. Ang titingnan is yung literal coefficient. While x and x squared are not similar terms. Bakit? Oo, parehas ng x. But, ang exponent nitong isa is 1, ang exponent ng pangalawa is 2. Therefore, they are not like terms. So, in general, algebraic expressions can be called as polynomials. So, you can only perform addition and subtraction to polynomials that are similar. So, hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-conduct ng addition and subtraction kapag hindi parehas yung ating terms. Kapag hindi like terms, hindi similar terms. Nung tayo ipauna, nung unang lesson, nung nakaraan, we define variables. Ano pa yung variables, di ba? Yung variables yun yung mga letter that represents a number. Mga letter. So, it could be from A to Z. So, any letter from the alphabet, pwede siya maging variable. Hindi laging X, hindi laging Y. Okay? Hindi laging A, B, C. So, an expression can have a value if you replace the variable with a number and then perform the operations involved. So, yun yung tinutukan nating evaluating algebraic expression. We are going to evaluate what is the value of that given expression given that we have the value of the variables. So, the terms in the expression 3x plus 5 are not similar. Bakit po not similar? Kasi ito'y 3x, may x, itong 5, walang x. Okay, so therefore, they are not similar, and if they are not similar, hence you cannot add them. However, if we give value to x, then we can perform the operation. So, I'll teach you, okay, kung paano mag-evaluate ng given algebraic expression. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so let us have some examples when we say evaluating algebraic expression. So, halimbawa, you are tasked to find the value of the given expression given the value of the variables. Example number 1, I have here the algebraic expression is 3x plus 5 and the given value of the variables variable x is equal to 2. Ang x daw natin is equal to 2. Therefore, yung 2, ipapalit natin siya dito sa x ng given algebraic expression. After substituting to the variable, proceed tayo sa operation. Okay? So, just copy first the given expression. Next, ang value daw ng x is 2. So, substitute 2 to x. Kung mapapansin nyo yung x na wala na, kasi pinalitan ko siya ng 2. And then just copy plus 5. We all know that kapag magkadikit ang number at saka yung variable, yung numerical coefficient and literal coefficient, the operation na gagamitin ay multiplication. Therefore, according sa ating PEMDAS rule, laging una ang multiplication than addition. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then, plus 5, that is equal to 11. Therefore, if x is equal to 2, then 3x plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay, another example. Let's say I have here 10xy plus x minus 8. If the value of x is 2 and the value of y is, let's say for example 3, ang value daw ng x is 2 at ang value ng y is equal to 3. So, ang ipapalit natin sa x ay 2, ang ipapalit natin sa y is 3. Okay, copy the given expression. Then just copy the numerical coefficient. Ang isa-substitute natin sa x is 2. So, multiply it by 2. Ang ipapalit sa y is 3. So, multiply it by 3. Plus, anong isa-substitute natin sa x? Again, 2. Minus 8. Then, according sa ating PEMDAS rule, multiplication muna. What is 10 times 2? So, that is 20 times 3 plus 2 minus 8. What is 20 times 3? Okay, that is 60 plus 2 minus 8. Pagdating dito, alin ang uunahin natin? Is it addition or subtraction? Sa ating PEMDAS rule, kapag nauna ang addition, addition ang unahin. Kapag nauna ang subtraction, subtraction ang unahin. In our case, unang operation na nandyan is yung addition. So, i-add muna natin, then saka natin iso-subtract. 60 plus 2 is 62 minus 8. What is 62 minus 8? Okay, so that is equal to 54. So, ganun lamang kapag we are tasked to find the value of the given expression. Kapag meron tayong given value of the variables. Okay, last example tayo for this topic or lesson, yung evaluating algebraic expression. So, ating last example, I have here the expression 5ab minus c divided by a, b, and c. If our given value of the variables is a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 3. So, substitute muna natin, First, copy the given expression, 5ab minus c all over a, b, c. Then, substitute the given value. Ito. Copy 5. What is a? That is 2. What is b? That is 1. Minus, what is c? That is 3. All over, multiply a by b by c. Okay, so I have here, what is a? That is 2. What is b? That is 1. And what is c? It's equal to 3. Then, simplify the operation. 5 times 2. So that is 10. Times 1 is 10. Minus 3. All over, 2 times 1. 2 times 3, that is 6. And what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 over 6. Since hindi na natin siya masisimplify, that is your final answer. Pero kung kaya pa siyang i-lowest term, lowest term. Or pwede rin nyo naman siyang gawing mixed number kapag improper yung lumabas na fraction. So, pwede siya maging 1 and 1 over 6. So, that's the same. Okay, so for now, let us proceed to addition of algebraic expressions. So, addition muna tayo. And when we say addition, ang gagamitin nating operation is yung addition or yung plus. Okay? Magpa-plus tayo ng algebraic expression. So, meron tayong different rules in adding polynomials. So, ang step 1 natin is to arrange the given polynomials in descending or ascending order if possible. So, kapag ako, ang ginagawa ko ay laging yung pinakamalaki munang exponent dito sa una, then paliit. Okay? So, let us try to arrange the given. So, dito muna tayo sa una. Since ang pinakamalaking degree is square or 2, okay, so siya yung nasa unahan. 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. So, naka-arrange siya. However, itong isa, hindi. Kasi nasa una yung constant, then nakarumble pa yung kanyang ibang term. So, ang pinakamalaki ditong degree is 3. Kaya, siya yung uunahin natin dito, 5x cubed. Sunod sa 3, 2 minus x squared. Kapag nagtitingin ng degree, diba, doon tayo natingin sa exponent ng ating literal coefficient. Then, after ng x squared, meron tayong x to the first or x to the 1 na hindi na sinusulat. 4x. Basta lagi nasa dulo ang ating constant o yung number na walang kadikit na variable. Now that we arrange the following, ang step 2 natin is to group or terms. I-group natin yung mga terms which are similar. Ano pag sinabing similar? Pag similar terms, sila yung mga terms na merong same variable and same exponent of the variable. So, i-group natin. So, pag nag-add tayo, try natin yung vertical method muna. Isulat lang natin 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. Pag sinabi natin i-group, itatapat lang natin. Halimbawa, x squared. Alin dito yung may x squared? Diba ito? Kasama ang sign. Okay, katapat. Then, since parehas silang may x, then parehas 1 na exponent ng x, sila magkatapat. Then, yung constant, lagi natin silang pagtatapatin. And then, ang nawawala is yung 5x cubed. Dito mo siya ilalagay sa unahan na walang katapat. Then, proceed sa addition. Okay, after that, you're going to proceed with adding the numerical coefficient. Kapag tayo nag-a-add, ang tinitingnan lang natin is yung numerical coefficient. Then, apply the rules in adding integers. And then, just copy the literal coefficient. Dahil wala naman itong katapat, kumbaga parang ang i-add mo sa kanya ay 0. Kasi wala siyang katapat. So, just bring down 5x cubed. Okay? Next. Positive 4 plus negative. Diba ito merong 1? Okay? Imaginary 1. Kapag hindi nakasulat, lagi yung may 1. 4 plus negative 1, that is equal to, applying the rules of integer, that is positive 3. Just copy the literal coefficient. Negative 2x plus 4x, applying the rules of integer, that is positive 2x. And 5 plus positive 7, that is 12. So, that is your final answer. So, ito ay ating vertical method. Pero meron tayong iba na hindi na tayo nagawa ng vertical method. Ito kasi yung tinatawag nating vertical method. Meron ding ibang way ng pag-add ng algebraic expression without using this method. And yung iba doon mas nadadalian. So, turo ko. Okay, so ganito lang yung ginagawa ng iba. They just copy this 4x squared minus 2x plus 5. Then, nilalagyan lang ng plus sa gitna. 5x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 7. So, for me, mas madali ito. Okay? Kasi parang makita mo na kagad. 4x squared, alin yung katulad niya dito sa kabila? Ito, x squared. Lalagyan mo lang siya ng ganyan. 4x squared minus x squared. Di meron ka ditong 4x squared minus x squared. Yun. Next. Negative 2x, alin ang similar term niya? Ito mo siya dadalhin. Negative 2x plus 4x. Then yung constant, positive 5 to positive 7. Kaya meron kang plus 5 plus 7. And since itong ating 5x cube ay walang ka-partner, lagay mo lang siya dito sa unahan. That's it. And then you just subtract 5x cube. What is 4x squared minus x squared? Diba sabi ko kanina meron tong imaginary 1. Okay? 4 minus 1 is 3. Just copy x squared. Negative 2 plus 4, that is positive 2. Just copy x. 5 plus 7, that is 12. So, ganun din ang sagot. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung method. Okay? But in mathematics, ang mahalaga is how you arrive at the final answer. Okay. Next example tayo in adding algebraic expression. If you can see, I have your 3 algebraic expression na i-add. Una, 5a to the 5th minus 6a squared plus 8. Then another expression, 3a cubed plus a squared minus 8a. Another expression, 4a to the 4th plus a cubed minus 6a squared plus a, that is minus 10. Minus 10. Okay, so all you have to do first is to arrange the given expression. Since madami sila, ang gamitin natin is yung vertical method. And doon tayo mag-umpisa sa ating constant. Okay, ano yung constant dito sa ating first expression? 8. Next. After ng 8, i-arrange natin siya, that is 6a squared. Naka-arrange naman. May constant ba dito? Sa second term? Wala. Sa ating third term, may constant? Okay, may constant tayo which is 10. Next, okay na tayo sa constant. After ng constant, ang sunod dyan is yung term na merong 1 exponent. Sa ating unang term, wala. Okay, yung a lamang wala. Kaya, lagyan natin dito ng 0a para hindi tayo malito. Pwedeng space na lang, pero pwede rin maglagay ng 0a. Sa ating second, so lagyan na natin to ng 0. Second expression, meron. Negative 8a. So, yun ang katapat. Negative 8a. Magkatapat to, a. Dito, meron din, which is positive a. So, magkakatapat na sila. After ng a, ang kasunod dito is yung a squared. Dito, meron tayong negative 6a squared. So, ang katapat niya dapat dito, a squared din. Okay, positive a squared. Dito, negative 6a squared. So, okay na tayo sa square. Punta tayo sa next cube. So, wala itong naka-cube. Lagyan ulit natin ng 0a cube. Ito meron 3a cube. Dito meron din plus a cube. Next. Ito ay walang to the fourth power. Wala. Meron. So, lagyan natin ito ng 0a to the fourth power. 0a to the fourth power. Ito ay merong 4a to the fourth power. As you can see, magkakatapat sila, okay? Yung similar terms magkakatapat. Then sa dulo, 5a to the fifth. Ito wala, ito wala din. So lagyan lang natin ng 0a to the fifth. At ito ay 0a to the fifth. Okay, plus. Pero pwede naman kayong hindi maglagay ng 0, hindi wala siyang katapat. Okay, space lamang. 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 0 is 5. Just copy 5a to the 5. Or 5a fifth. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 4, that is 4. Copy a to the fourth. Dito sa sunod, 0 plus 3 is 3. Then ito a cube, ano ang numerical coefficient niya? Okay, so we have 1. Diba laging hindi na sinusulat yung 1. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 1, that is 4a cube. Negative 6, ito meron din tong 1. Negative 6 plus 1, that is negative 5. Plus negative 6, negative 5 plus negative 6, that is negative. Okay, so that is negative 11. Just copy a squared. 0 plus negative 8, negative 8. Plus positive 1, that is negative 7. Copy 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Plus negative 10, that is negative 2. Therefore, that is your final answer. So, ganyan lamang. Okay, so una, in-arrange natin. And then, we just subtract, applying the rules of integers. Kung nalilito kayo sa integers, pwede nyo balikan yung ating naunang video regarding adding and subtracting integers. Nandun yung rules. Okay, after addition, let's proceed to subtraction of algebraic expression. So, yung procedures ito, the same lang nung kanina. But then, meron lang konting kaibahan gaya nung tayo nag-subtract ng integers. So, in subtracting algebraic expression, just copy the minuend. Tandaan nyo yung ating dating yung K, C, C. Keep, change, change. So, i-apply pa rin natin yan in subtracting algebraic expression. Ano yung K? Keep the sign of the minuend. So, ito ang minuend, ito ang ating subtrahend. So, keep the sign. So, just copy x squared plus x minus 7. Wala tayong gagawin sa minuend. Just copy. Ano yung sunod nating C? Change. change the subtraction into addition. So, ito magiging plus. Okay? Yung minus, naging plus. Kasi sabi, C. Then, another C, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, papalitan natin ngayon ang sign nitong subtrahend pag inilabas natin dun sa parenthesis. So, ang positive 3x cube, yan ay magiging negative 3x cube. Tama? Ang positive 8 magiging negative 8x. Ang negative 5 magiging positive 5. As you can see, dalawa yung ating operation dito. So, we can multiply this. Positive times negative, it will become negative. So, para wala na tayong parenthesis. Nung inilabas natin, nabago yung sign. Okay? Next. Combine like terms. Ang x squared ba, merong katulad na terms? Wala. Susulat x squared. How about x? Ito, similar terms siya with 8x. Positive x minus 8x, that will gives you negative 7x. Kasi ito ay merong 1, imaginary 1. Then constant, negative 7, similar with the constant positive 5. So, negative 7 plus 5 will gives you negative 2. Then, wala naman tayong katulad na negative 3x cube. So, dito mo siya ilalagay sa unahan. Negative 3x cube plus 3. Okay, another example. I have here the first expression. 9x to the 5th minus 6x cubed plus 7x squared minus 7x cubed minus 6x to the 5th plus 2x squared. So, kanina, apply lang na, kapag subtraction of algebraic expression, just apply KCC. Keep, change, change. So, keep the sign of the minuend. 9x to the 5th minus 6x cubed plus 7x squared. So, wala tayong ginawa with the minuend. Then, change, okay, the sign of the operation. So, from subtraction, it will become addition. Then, change the sign of the minuend. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ang positive 7x cubed will become negative 7x cubed. Ang negative 6x to the 5th will become 6x to the 5th. Positive na siya. Then, ang positive 2x squared will become negative 2x squared. After that, para ito ay maging isang operation na lamang, you multiply positive by negative, it will become negative 7x cubed. Okay, para wala na yung ating parentheses. Kasi positive times negative is equal to negative. Then, combine like terms. Pag sinabing like terms, sila yung similar terms, same variable, same exponent. So, tingin sa x to the 5th, meron ba siyang kasimilar? Meron. Okay, 9x 5th plus 6x 5th. Sulat mo lang 9x 5th plus 6x 5th. How about x cubed? May kasimilar? Meron. Sulat, negative 6x cubed minus 7x cubed. How about x squared? Meron din. I connect. Combine like terms. 7x squared minus 2x squared. 9 plus 6, that is 15x to the 5th. Laging ang ina-add lang natin at sinusubtract is yung numerical coefficient. So, that is 15. Just copy the literal coefficient, which is x to the 5th. Negative 6x cubed minus 7x cubed. They are both negative. Parehas minus to. Okay, so, proceed tayo sa addition. 6 plus 7, that is 13. But the operation is, or the sign is negative. Copy literal coefficient. Diba nung integers? Kaya dapat alam nyo yung foundation natin in basic rules of integers. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Copy x squared. So that's it.